Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Ecosport gear knob. Pry the collar back, twist gently, and pull the knob straight up to release the retaining clip. Be patient and steady to avoid breaking plastic tabs or scratching trim. If the knob feels stuck, stop and check for hidden screws or clips before forcing it, since excessive force can damage the shifter assembly and increase repair costs. Start with a soft trim tool and a clean area to work on so you avoid scuffs or dents. Locate the collar at the base of the knob and inspect for visible screws or clips that may be hiding under a rubber cover. Keep a small container for any fasteners and take photos if you want help reversing the steps later. Gentle leverage and steady pressure prevent broken plastic and save time overall. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long repair sessions. They fit well inside work boots and won't wear out when you're crouched under the dash. If you like this helpful tip, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making practical guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by prying the collar back to find either a clip or a hidden screw. This determines your approach. If you see a clip, press it aside while pulling the knob straight up. If screws are visible, remove them and lift the knob evenly. Avoid twisting aggressively because many Ecosport knobs rely on a plastic retainer that can break. Test shift movement after reinstallation to confirm everything seats properly and functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.